Hello viewers, or singular viewers. I'm shoeless, which is like shirtless, but for your shoes. It's a new trend. Point of this video, I'm just gonna get into right away. Don't judge what's under here. You don't need to know. Okay, you probably saw it already, but okay. Don't unsubscribe. You just can't resist it. Okay, it doesn't even spin on the paper. Point is, people ask, well, they don't actually. I just make up questions to make myself feel like I'm answering. When you spin these fast enough, well, actually, any rate, really, and you put it to your ear, I know you can't pick it up, but maybe you can. You get this, this bass tone, which many people call it. But what a tone is really just a speaker creating pulses in, okay, that was bad, pulses in air, just like that. That's what everyone says, and you'll probably see pictures that do this, but that doesn't really make sense because the speaker isn't moving like that. But what this is saying is, this is the high point, which would be represented here, and this is the 0 point, which is here. And what that means is how high the pressure of air is. So high, low. This is going to be really basic for the people that, this is probably annoying to watch for the people that know this, but point is, two types, or I shouldn't say that, there's many types of waveforms. There's a sine wave, which is here, so it's just, I'm not very good at drawing them, but that's that. Then you have a square wave, which would be like this. Then triangular waves, sawtooth, think of a shape that goes right on a graph and you're good. Point is, I noticed that the the tone that this made was extremely sinusoidal. So it was just perfect and clean, and I always thought, why would it be that way, not like fluttery? I know it is a little bit fluttery, but it's not to the extent I would think it is. So I thought about it, and I looked at the shape, and I just, looked at it, and it's a general sine wave when you unwrap it. So the point of the video is that this makes a tone, a tone that is sinusoidal because it's shaped like this would be closer to your ear, further, closer, and it makes a pressure wave like that. So it would just sound, like a sine wave. Just look up sine wave and you'll hear it if you don't know what I'm talking about. So yeah, one question I have for other people is, if I made a spinner that was cross-shaped, kind of like this, with a bearing in the center, would that make a square wave tone? And if you don't know what that is, then look up a square wave tone and you'll get it. I'm sorry for making a legit video, that came across my mind, so I'll see you guys.